Chad James scored twice as title holders Cavalier beat leaders Montego Bay United 3-0 in the Jamaica Premier League at the Stadium East Field earlier today. Now, Jerome McCleary gave Cavalier a 34th minute lead before James scored in the 56th and 71st minutes. The win sent Cavalier into fourth spot on 13 points, 9 behind Montego Bay United. And at sports time, Tivoli Gardens and Waterhouse were 0-0 in the second game of the doubleheader. The semi-finalists in the JISA Canopy Henriques knockout competition were decided on Saturday following the staging of the quarterfinal matches. St. Peter and Paul Prep had a 3-1 win over Reach Academy to book their place in the last four. Dijon Samuel scored twice for St. Peter and Paul, with Ajani Sharp getting the other. Quan Ricketts got Reach's consolation.
As I said, the boys go out there, it was a tough one, but I always tell my players, stick to our game plans, you know what I mean? We train a certain type of way, and we come out there and see the boys and display that, what we do in training. So I'm really proud of our team.
We paid them a little too much respect in the first half. We sat back and allowed them to come at us. In the second half, we built a little momentum, starting to put the ball on the floor a little bit, played the ball around. We got back into the game, and we lost the game, but it was a well-fought game. It was a well-played game by the boys.
St. Peter and Paul will now play Liberty Prep, who had a 3-1 win over Emmanuel in the semi-finals on Wednesday at 12:30. In other matches, Lannaman's Prep eliminated Crystal House 3-1, while Hillel Academy sent Mona packing 3-1 penalties after the two ended 0-0. The two will meet in the other semi-final at 11 a.m.